Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I guess pretty fine. Please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like my video, share and comment below. Let me know what you think about my video. This video is about get ready with me with voice over. And happy new year to you guys. This year is gonna be a fruitful, flourish and blessed year for us in Jesus' name. Last year has been amazing to us. I believe this new year is going to be a better year for you and I. So guys, I think through and thankful on how I've been and how I've scaled through all the years, and I want to be more focused, and I'm thankful that I'm focused and determined with things I'm doing, and I'm thankful for knowing God, and I still want to know Him more and more in my life, in my career, in my project, in my family, in everything. God has been so wonderful to me, and He has always been there. He has always stood for me, support me, bless me, favor me. As in, God has been amazing to me, most especially this 2023. I've been flourishing in God's house, because I wouldn't lie. If I didn't see God didn't do it, I'm just lying. So He did all, and He's still doing it, and He will still continue to do it. So I'm thankful for meeting with people. I met a lot of people through last year. I met a lot of right people that support my career, that support my business, a lot of people that really helped me to engage in advertising, that helped me in advertising my business. They didn't allow me to lack. They supported me financially. They supported me physically in every area of my life. I'm so happy that I met them, and they didn't allow me to think or to just feel as if, okay, I'm far from home. They are just as if they are my parents. Like seriously, they really did so well with me, and I'm so happy that God has brought so beautiful right people to my life, and I still want more right people, Heavenly Father. And I'm thankful for the wrong people, because meeting up with the wrong people is just an experience for me and a lesson. So from there, I am having growth on how to meet with people, on how to associate with people, on how to work with people. I didn't say that God did the wrong thing by meeting the wrong people. God wants me to learn and know how I can handle things with them. I'm thankful for growth. Yes, I've really grown past so many things that have really changed, things that are working fine for me, unlike other years, and I'm so happy for growth, most especially growth. Yes, there are a lot of growth in my life that I know I'm not putting up there on social media, but growth is working for me, like seriously, and I'm so happy, and I want more growth. And thankful for self-love, and more self-love this year. I think I really want to pamper myself, take care of my skin, take care of myself, makeup, do shopping, and love my skin so much, and love God more. So yeah, these are the things I'm thankful for, and I really appreciate God for. Sometimes if I feel down, I will just start singing thankful song and reading my Bible. Once I read my Bible, I just have this what's it called, this blunt encouragement in me, as if I have achieved something from God, and it makes me feel more of reading Bible more and more. So thank you guys for day and watching my video. I really appreciate. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go to church, and that is all. So like my video and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.